What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are all doing swell. Today, if you guys can't tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you a massive city, right? Alright, you can stop waving. Stop. Stop. Holy milk. Now, I've had a few friends join the server and just be completely blown away, wowed, if you know what I'm saying. We built a massive city with the help of a friend or two, so if you guys enjoy this and you think this is dope, go ahead and drop a like on the video and subscribe if you're new. I'm going to be honest, the spawn island isn't, super big. So we can only build so much. And obviously, if you look there at the bottom, the memory used is almost full. So I do plan on, even building more. But I wanted to get a video out showing you what I've done so far. So, yeah. Let's do it, baby. Pretty lit, am I right? I kind of want to give you guys a tour right now. A lot of these buildings aren't furnished on the inside. Obviously, if we went into real deep detail, I mean, we need at least 300,000 memory. So we've just kind of built the buildings, to make it look like a city. Obviously, my original intent was to kind of build, New York City, but I mean, golly, man, there's only so much you can do with this as far as buildings, and I didn't want to have to. There's only a few prefabs, right? So obviously, as you guys can probably tell by looking at the map, I've used a lot of, what I like to call brick, clock towers, few trumps, L's, all those kind of stuff. So I try to utilize those in the city building, just so I didn't have to, make my own with like these walls down here. You know what I'm saying? I could do that, you can call me lazy all you want. But obviously, I still like stacked a few on top of each other, did my own kind of twists, twists and turns, right? So yeah, let's get started. So up here we got a nice little house overviewing everything. This reminds me of have you guys ever seen what's it called? What's that game called where those two kids play and then the aliens come and then they're on like, they look out their front door and they're like in space, that's Zenith, something like that. I don't know, dude. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, so yeah, so over here we have a nice little well, neighborhood, I guess. Not really much. I mean, we have a nice house up there, couple modernized houses here, and right into the city we go. Obviously we got disco, baby. Gotta have a disco, dance room, little bar area, where all the folks of the city want to go and get wasted at night, or maybe find a hot chick to talk to. Boogie down, baby. Okay, now a front of the disco building, we have a nice little homemade bus stop. Now I think this is kind of my interpretation on a bus stop. We have a nice phone. Hey, one of those bus stoppers need to give a call to their whoever. Oh, looks like somebody forgot their Pepsi. Anyways, yeah, so nice little bus stop here. Obviously moving over here we have the bus station. I guess I don't know. Anyways, so we have a few buses here, right? This nice little bus station, where everybody hops on the bus. Hey, and if you missed it, you head right over here, right, to this one. Hey, I'm over here. Anyways, moving along. There was a lot of open space right here, so I want to add something. I actually ended up adding a few more buildings, but we got a nice little whatever these are, whatever you can do with these, right? You can add a point, whatever, reset, just something to add so this sidewalk isn't super blank. I wish I could spawn like like models of like people and something, like people walking. That'd be really cool. Maybe they'll do that in the future. Other than that, we have just a brick building, obviously. Nothing crazy, right? Like I said, I didn't really detail the inside of these. I just kind of stacked a few on top of each other. This one's super tall, though. I added a little, twist of my own, right? So yeah, it's pretty tall. Other than that, coming back here, we have L's. Now they're a little bit elevated, so I had to, duplicate the walls and, lift it up one. But yeah, we got L's, dude. A little variation of L's, right? So we got Trump. I double stacked Trump and then twisted it up myself. There's a few overhanging parts. I had to delete those, But right on top of this one, we got a nice helipad. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, nice little helipad up here. You want to take off, right? Room. Now the top part here, folks, is really coming in for these landings. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, baby, come on now. Come on now. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Right there. Oh, bring her around town. You know what? That works. Moving on to the next one. We built a factory and then stacked it on top of each other. Obviously, you know, we didn't put floors in there. We're lazy, okay? But we just wanted to get the city effect. Again, added my own little twist, you know, stacked up the walls, duplicated them, whatever you had to do. Right here, we have a nice little parking lot for these few buildings with some cars, obviously, because it's a parking lot. Yeah. Now, my boy built this here dealership, which is pretty cool. Got a few cars in there, obviously. Got some desks and stuff in there, some cars in there. And you know how they feature their cars on top or whatever they're doing. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool little dealership there. Hey, come on over to adventure. Yeah, we got another Trump. Now, Trump was really annoying to me because this hill back here, a lot of the prefab buildings that you try to build won't like place right if there's like a hill anywhere like close of like the radius of the, you know, whatever. So yeah, we got some lights coming out of Trump, but that's all right. Anyways, moving on, another brick, obviously. Try to make it look more like a skyscraper. Yeah, you know, added a bunch of windows, stuff like that. We got a little, whatever you want to call it, shipment junkyard back here. You know, threw a couple of those containers back here. Don't worry about that. Anyways, I've made a nice little pond here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I think so. You know, got some nice fencing around there so nobody slips and slides. Yeah, now we really got down to the detail here on these roadages. Some nice street signs, cars, stoplights. Had to throw in a gas station back here because, you know, the town needs some gas every once in a blue moon. And then on this side we have some shops, obviously the shops you've seen before. McGuffins, the Bass Pro, right? That would make sense. And Joel's. Joel, if you're watching, buddy, you got a nice shop. Say you're walking down the block. Oh, damn, it's hot out. I need some drink. Oh, look at that, dude. A nice... Is this what I think it is? I thought this was like a, you know, water dispenser. You know what? Never mind that. Stop at Joel's Cafe and Bar. Yeah, you know, your few buildings. Added a nice clock tower. You know, the city needs to know the time, right? Added another brick, right? And we're back over here. Now, what's the garden in New York City? That's what I was originally trying to create. Anyways, we have a nice little park garden here. And then we added some skyscrapers right in here. I took one of the signs off of the, what is it? One of these obstacle courses right here. Took one of the signs, threw it down, duplicated it, and put it up here. So it looks pretty cool. I like that. Over here we have double clock tower, aka the twin tower rebuilt, ×2.
And we built
a nice little skywalk here.
Well, yeah.
Ooh. And honestly, that's about it. Now, folks, in the future here, I do plan on detailing a few of these buildings and making them maybe, hey, into restaurants, stuff like that. So it'll be pretty cool to see when that's all finished and done. Obviously, we don't have too much memory left, so I might have to go to a different island. Also, I've been having a major problem. People have been able to join my server when I don't want them. Like, I have no idea how to set this on private. Like, my privacy is private. People just randomly join, and then if I have friends in here that are helping me build, I have to turn off the island tools, island edit permission, because I've been griefed before. So I don't know, man. I don't know if this is a common issue or if I'm missing something. So yeah. Anyways, folks, ladies and gentlemen, that has been it. If you think it's cool or dope, go ahead and let me know and drop a... Oh, of course, we got the water tower, right? The city needs water. And the city's so big, we even got another one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead, drop a like on it. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying Season 7. If you are, let me know down in the comments what your favorite part is. Anyways, guys, more videos coming soon. And until the next time, it's been your boy Fly. Peace out.
And I might jet loot the ceiling, and I'm trying to grind up on a million. And I might kill it if I feel it. Yeah, damn right I kill it if she get